Right. We should not encourage the contractor or the supplier from outside city. That too, I'll not compromise. I will follow up. Hello, man. Lakam Slim ya mi lah kenai lah. You tell ni kedua no ngadu dah sekat teriak, kita sekat teriak. Tu kalau ngan lami dah sekat teriak ngan sapun ni pi. Ma. Tak kau boleh. Nak biang kan?
Kani ka jingong ba hamlet kalau ma bu jingkeli ya ka BJP nama ba habade ke tu jingong jong pi ba kinu skim ki ban central government sua ban sanction dai ban dai consult sua ba ke BJP kuma pi on.
It's true. What is the harm there? Ke parti ke banga ngabilong to that party. Tapi kasong hati nga suggest any scheme sua ban sanction penting lem ya ke BJP.
Pi on ba consult.
Gitu penting min consult kan. Nah, konsol begini proposal begini yo ana pokasi cungpi. Tikilan penting presiden jong parti jongi ba milak banwan begini yo bagi don gini. Nanti kin pak bambidon banong. No anything ba pinang pak cucu ne ban itai di tinggi itu every right. Telara kamu kasong ba apa Delhi. Nek daga bengi sojos that is not that is not illegal. Daga bengi pak ni request copo central leaders, central minister ni begini konsol, so what? Ubah hamlet tu ulah bensuli ya kendu ki, but because he is not BJP, he is PDF. If he need any scheme, he can go through our help also. I can help.
Kapling yang kibat, kapling ke BJP, yang mereka kata mereka PDF. Lagi bakal tahu no.
Kam dia kat maktin kan dia kat selong ba ubah hamlet usul slightly less you so tu bakla itu ibang nga ong apa mga kena kasi bala the illumination ba nagalungi ngilele ngila ekar ru mencabat ru ngini ay dia berikan bagi gino no scheme di proposal naga state government syaban sanction tagabot nomor bangiru kita government Tegabut kintertip lang yung state BJP kabut lang bang apa kayu ben ini apa lang what is the harm that is not illegal
Kata kamu ngomong ni baimat jadi kajing yang begini yang dah kapling di kami kensan bului Maria sedang kalau violation hasilnya
pi kajing pedinya te nanga kaklemi ngata kaklemi ngata pepe kajing pedinya suara juga tuka bapai nomor cang pedinya tengah Dia kapili apa di UDP. Kapili apa lagi headline ba. What kapili honorable minister jong agriculture ba but ulo at ka headline ba what dum sharpen bi ha UDP. Halor ke issue ban ya ka CNRB block.
District.
Ya ka district. Nama ka tangkanya ka batok ng UDP what dum. Tu Kadi kerja keti tak pernah makin ini lagi kan kau keti angkat sulit illumination tengah yang dah kan dia tu keti. Tapi apa beli kau nak cepat say.
Like statement from PDF and statement from you gives us an impression that both BJP and PDF are at loggerheads with each other.
You know, actually, see the day of filing of nomination, I have just highlighted to the people that as per the manifesto, the principle, the ideology of the BJP under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi is that this is the corruption-free party. We are always to the manifesto to eradicate the corruption. So, in my statement, I have stated that in the last MP election, most of the sitting MP of the BJP, they have not been allotted a party due to non-performance. And there is a suspicious that they are involved in corruption. So most of them, ticket has not been allotted. We have replaced with another candidate like that. So that's what I have highlighted to the people. So that's why since we are in power in Delhi, so I appeal to the electorates of Shela constituency that why should you go to team A, team B? Direct you vote for Joshua Warren. That is my statement.
Team B, Team C.
But
BJP.
Team A BJP center. But Joshua is Warren is our candidate. So it will be convenient for the people of Shella that we will champion if he is voted as an. So it will be convenient for us to move the scheme, the proposal, of the people, the long aspiration of the people of Shella direct to Delhi as a special consideration will be sanctioned, sanctioned direct from center. So that is the advantage where we are highlighting the people of Shella because it's a rural constituency, nah? So that, anything I'm talking about the our party only. So I'm not pointing on anybody. So I said it will be good for the people if they normally my appeal that the time has arrived that the people, the electorate, they should vote for a party who is having a power in Delhi. Then you will get more help, you know. So that is my idea.
Even vote with Team A.
Team A, that even an individual also have got a right to file RTI against any department. Even a beggar also have got a right to file RTI. How do you implement the scheme as sanctioned by the state government or by the central government? So why they are panicked? Why they are scared?
Tung poin nak sekarang ni election pan. Kumang sutok mata. Kali ni kini pun jong BJP kan day ba PDR.
Menanggung sugi. Coba kerja pun kan long bet menang sebenarnya UPDF ne UDP no tai. So all party independent they are fighting against BJP. Who is strong, who is not strong, so we cannot say. But in terms of share of votes, because in this in the MP election, without campaigning, without polling agent, I have not even stepped in there even 1 minute also in that Shella constituency. We don't have a unit also there at the time. Yes, we do have a party workers, but not so strong like now. Last few months, this our candidate he works very hard. He is a follower of Jorok Singh Nongklao, or candidate at the time secured about 2,600 plus. So he continued to work to revamp the party organization, to strengthen the party by Joshua Warren. So that time I got 4,778, I think, without conversing.
MP.
So if this 4,700 are intact, so with his hard work it will be increasing. So 6 candidates. So I think a very good chance for the
Video campaign also.
the five candidate vote will be divided. So if this 4,700, say 5,000 remains, so we are having a good chance.